看我这小菜长得是真不错哈，你看这大叶子。我前2天把这边也密集，特别密集，我想太密了，我给它挪到那边去，然后我给它，就是分开移了。这西红柿长得也不错哈，你这小西红柿，大西红柿。然后我就奇怪了，为什么那边那个菜它就长得哈特别的小？看我看看这个哈，喏，我移过来的小菜它长得就这么小，你看长不起来，比那边差好多。这个东西哈，这个菜也是一挪它就生长的就慢。这边也不知道种的啥呢，没长出来。我昨天晚上种了点那个叫红苋菜呀，下雨。种的是啥都忘了，这是西红柿，这是那个秋葵，还缺了几颗，回头还有给它移过来。这边这个菜呀，现在也不知道是啥问题。你看看我种了有多少种子，太密了。我记得有大头菜，有那个生菜，我也不知道是哪个是哪个了，反正等它们长得大一大再看吧。大家好，我是慧。今天呢，我要跟老美去干活了哟。然后他刚刚走，你看现在几点了？10点52，马上11点了才去干活。我说你能不能早点走？早晨10点多，10点的时候告诉人我11点半到，结果起来抠呲抠呲抠呲哈一天的，真能抠。你说怎么能抠？每天，你说他干活辛苦吧哈？他早上11、2点才走，你说他不辛苦吧？晚上半夜10点、9点多，都是他回来那么晚。我说你早去早回。去年我们那个时候，我们那个就是出去度假，他问我结婚纪念日，他问我，他说你希望我哪一点更改一下？我说你能不能那个上班的时候早点走？我说你9点啊，8点半9点走。你下午6点左右回来，我说正合适一起吃晚饭。结果坚持了2天，后来还是照样11点、10点半、11点才走，我简直是没招。你说这个老美，行了，赶紧去吧，去看看今天说是修什么，修热水器。OK。这是一个在卖的房子，看这月季花都开了，还挺漂亮。这房子不知道卖多少钱，等一会儿看一下。
Video all day。
它这是地下，整的还挺好的，还铺瓷砖了。这是老美前2天安的，他说。
Yes.
I'm sorry, we didn't find a unit with that serial number. If you would like to re-enter the serial number and try again, press.
Okay, see, you have to put it in very neat. Make it very pretty.
Like me? Okay.
No, nothing can be as pretty as you.
I'm more beauty.
Yeah, but be careful. Don't watch out for something sharp. Uh-oh.
Why? I did good.
Yes, you did very good, but you only need to do 2 here. Stop there. We don't need to wrap the whole machine, just the edge.
Okay.
Don't get stuck to it. Okay, so do there, and then same thing here, all the way around. Here, and here.
Oh.
Not here, no.
Okay,
Nowhere
no problem.
else. Just there and there, okay?
Okay, my boss.
Okay, my beautiful.
Beautiful what? Worker?
Wonderful wife. A very expensive worker. Here, you need to clean those. See, dirty, it won't stick. So that is not clean. You need rag.
I don't have rag.
I have some in my truck. You want me to get or you want to get?
You that one.
What?
It's
It is theirs.
Nobody used it.
It is theirs. You will get me in trouble. No. You see any more screws besides here?
I don't know. I'm not seeing it.
You are so smart. You wear the gloves.
You want?
No.
I have more.
No. Oh.
Oh, it's good.
Be careful. Okay, just put the screw in. Get it straight.
Yeah.
Push.
I did.
Oh, Grandma. One.
Difficult.
Will we be done by lunch or dinner?
Maybe dinner. Okay, look now. I do strong. 啊，太紧了，这里。Do you have a hole here?
No.
Don't have.
Push. 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 Come on, Grandma. You giving birth?
This is no work.
You want me to do it for you? Okay, you ready? Go. Do this.
I can't. 出汗了，不行。
Okay, hold on. I finish for you. Almost there.
出汗了都。
You ready?
哎呀
Here you go, Grandma.
哎，到底是老爷们儿。
Very easy.
哎呦我天，我都出汗了。
And you put, you see the thing you put it on here? You can't see your camera over there.
I can.
No, you can't.
I did.
Here. You don't.
Okay, I hold it for you. I hold the light for you.
Oh, thank you. There.
Okay, you do good.
Thank you.
Professional.
Now, this needs to go to here.
Oh, okay. 老美让我买这个，然后比这个稍微短一点。现在来超市，这个问一下。
Did you find everything okay? Do you have a phone number for rewards?
哇，这也有菜种子啊，这么多。
$10.99. I need another dollar.
Hey, excuse me. Do you have a short one like this? Short one.
This short?
Yeah, this one. This longer. Just to here.
Oh, let me see.
Yeah, yeah. 买个东西啥都不知道，然后就得问人家，问他们。 妈呀，这大雨下的，好久没下这么大雨了。I see they have soup. 这是一个新店啊。What color they have? What's this, Robert? Beef soup with vegetable, with rice. Oh, that's good. 啊？看这个玉米炖牛肉，你看这一大份儿哈啊！你看它这么一大块，全是牛肉，才9块9这一份儿。Oh my God, Robert, look, only $10.
You know
真
the
是
name of
实惠呀。
this one? The name is tortoise. You know what tortoise is?
No.
Same as turtle. See, it's
Okay.
like a turtle
okay.
shell.
Okay.
I know what you are thinking, Luma.
像乌龟呀、这个。哎，你看它这个里面肉也挺多。
Try.
这墨西哥餐哈真实惠。
Oh,
This is a taco or something? Just
bread.
just bread?
And, I think you want a bite? Get a bite.
Okay.
Oh.
Good. Very good. How much?
8.
它8块钱，你看，还有牛油果、火腿、beef 什么？
Beef and ham.
哦，
Avocado.
真挺好吃的哈。One more. I bite one more.
You want some avocado?
No, that's okay. That tastes very good. 不错。